HobbyKidsTV.
Shrek, it's so nice to have you visit from the land of far, far away.
Well, my teeth are too white. I've been brushing them too much. Look at these sparkly whites. I need for you to pull them. There's something in my teeth bugging me. Quite literally bugging me.
Well, it's a good thing you have Dr. Hobby Mom here. I'm gonna make sure your heartbeat is okay first. Okay, your heartbeat is good. Now let me check inside your mouth. Yep. Sorry to break it to you, Shrek, but you don't have a tongue, so we're gonna need to fix that. Hobby Kid agrees. Go ahead and give him a shot so we can numb him up and get those teeth pulled. What was hiding in your tooth, Shrek? A toothbrush with green slime. You need to brush your teeth more.
But I don't like to.
Ew, have you been eating worms again? You got a worm stuck in your tooth. Gross. Soap? I don't know, Shrek. Do you even use soap?
Where did that suds come from?
Ew, another gross trash pack bug.
Ooh, 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 ooh.
Looks like two little eyeballs.
Whoops, I didn't mean to eat you, Humpty Dumpty.
Sugar? Shrek, have you been eating sparkly sugar? It's pretty cute. There's even a little tiny heart right there. Can you guys see that?
Yeah.
I'm sorry, I can't help myself. I love sugar with me worms.
Alright, Dr. Hobby Mom to the rescue. I gotta get my drill and drill up the rest of these teeth. Shrek, since you're so special, we're gonna give you a silver tongue. Open wide.
That's better.
Oh, I love me new tongue. Can you give me some fun colored teeth, too?
You got it, Shrek. Hobby Kids are gonna make you some fun teeth. A brown tooth and a gold tooth.
Oh, I love my new teeth. They're so disgusting.
Oh, good, Shrek. I'm glad you love it. Now, let's brush your teeth with some green toothpaste.
Hey, wait! I'm too small for him! Go get another toothbrush! I'm out of here!
This is much better. Spot me, Hobby Kid.
Oh, that tastes disgusting, like fresh mint. Did you use Fiona's toothpaste? Go get my mud toothpaste. Oh, that's much better.
Uh-oh, Shrek, this one's pretty rotten. We need to pull that. Here, I'll replace it with a better one. Today's show question is, what two characters were hiding behind the Play-Doh?
Get in my mouth.
thanks for joining us today on this silly episode. I'll see you guys on the next video.
Bye.